what's good, everybody? We are back with another special reaction video today, guys. And in today's video, we have severe chiropractic, painful chiropractic cracking adjustment. So we're gonna react to some back cramping pain. I'll be sore. I'll be sore. I'll be needing somebody to crack my back. I try to ask my sister, my girlfriend to walk on my back, help me crack it. But that ain't getting it. So I might holler at Buddy. But let's see what he does and see how many cracks we get out of this one.
So now
I'm gonna try not to cringe, by the way.
Down there, from New York, just moved to North Carolina.
Just relocated to North Carolina. Been a foreman for a cold refrigeration company for 8 years. Just recently left it to relocate. Only been down here for about a month.
Okay.
It's about a little bit more than a month. It's just been getting worse and worse, but it doesn't stop me. But I have to get this situation fixed. You know, it's been a long time, and it's affecting everything. It's affecting myself. It's affecting the family.
Man, your back affects your whole life. Like if your back ain't good, that's why I say you're lifting weights, or if you're lifting things at your job, at home, unsafely, watch yourself. Be careful, because it could be
myself really inside, you know. And watching the main video was with that gentleman Josh, and you know, that was like a real eye opener on how to get this done. You know, trying to move forward and try to stand tall again, because it's been over.
Let me have you stand up. Okay. So now from here,
oh, his
I want to go through some ranges of motion.
Yeah. He finna get cracked,
dude. Forward for me at the waist. What do you feel when you do that?
Tightness.
Tightness?
I feel tightness back of the thighs, back of the knees, here, and you feel like a little stretch up here, but not as much, but mainly down here like that.
Okay. And then if you come up, and then try and go.
This is like the farthest I can go.
That's the farthest, okay.
Yeah, and I'm like looking up, this is like the farthest I can, like, so if I bend back, I can go.
So you gotta do one of these
to... for sure.
Okay.
That's like
any issue going into the sides?
not as much, you know what I mean? It feels good when you kind of do that, but, you know, it's just a lot of tightness when I do that. You feel it on the neck, the back of the neck.
Gotcha. Yeah, all through here. And now, so what?
Bottom here also, like it goes to here. You feel it down here sometimes, you know.
Now, what have you been told to do? Because I know you're kind of telling me you're doing some physical therapy at one point.
Yeah, I was doing physical therapy. I wasn't really doing much, because all I was doing was massages. They never really did. I spoke to a few specialists in New York City. They, you know, they don't ever sit you with the same doctor all the time. They kept changing doctors all.
I be trying to tell people this doctor stuff is a game. No doctor, no doctors. But y'all be sitting folks around all these doctors trying to get the right answer, and y'all know the answer the whole time, and making me spend all my co-pays. My deductible be high as crap.
So one would tell me I would need this, get x-rays for that, get MRIs for this. One would say I would have nothing, another would say I have
just chasing the
surgery.
I don't know why y'all do this. It's all about money.
The runaround.
It's all about the money.
Just brought my whole level just down, wasting time, and you know, my adrenaline really my drive just left.
Yeah.
And you know, it's been some years now, you know what I mean? And all I'm doing is getting worse. And it's causing me it's affecting me, it's affecting my family, and mainly me and myself. I need to get back to this. I was an athlete, man. I was a mixed martial artist. I've been doing gymnastics. I've been so athletic, and you know, what I do is, I can't do none of it anymore.
Dang.
Yeah, so it's a little...
Oh, here you are.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it done.
Let me have you lay face down on the table for me.
That's all. I can't even lay on my back at all.
I gotcha.
That's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, going down.
Oh, this dude in pain laying down. God, dog.
Okay. So yeah, when checking the leg length here, yeah, if you want to come in, you can see. So that right side pulls short compared to the left side. And then obviously here's that main issue right here, that hyperkyphosis is what this is. Obviously you know, but
I knew I said it right.
At home knows that this can happen. You know, you're not the first patient in here with the hyperkyphosis like this, so. Okay. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness as I.
It's a little tenderness there.
Okay. So tender up in cervical, even going into the thoracic, spine. All this.
That's.
Bro, I'm already cringe. He ain't did nothing yet, man. Woo, woo, woo.
Alright, I'm gonna start with the massager. Just want to relax things, and then we'll get going with the adjustment.
You see how it went, bro? Oh, snap. Bro, that man bouncing off his back. I know that hurt.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna start right up top here.
I wonder, has he ever cracked somebody and they farted in his face? I was doing sit-ups one time and that happened to me. I was doing sit-ups and farted in somebody's face that was holding my feet. It was a pure accident.
Good.
Okay, I'm not
so
cringing.
After here, we're going to be doing
No
a
more
little
cringe.
bit more than the usual, just because I want to do your typical P to A thrust, but then I'm going to do a P to A with the drop table as well. Take a deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out.
Look, he's straightening out already, though.
One more time. Okay.
Oh, is that the table that did that? What his back sound like that? Yeah, I'm getting it. My head's starting to hurt off this, bro. Starting to get nauseated watching this. Stiff arm this man back.
Okay.
Man, that hurt.
Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table. Bring one leg on either side. I know, that was a lot.
Wow. That's the first time I never got a chiropractor like that in over 20 years. Oh my God. Oof.
Bring your arm up here.
This is up there. Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Bet. Oh, snap. Oh.
Okay. Relax right there for me. Okay. I'm gonna have you lay face down again for me. I'm gonna work on the sacrum here. So I'm gonna stabilize right on that sacrum.
I wonder how long it took for him to get comfortable with doing this, cause I feel like I'm gonna hurt somebody. Like, 'cause once your back gone, you can't get it back. But yeah, I feel like I just
Try raising your
puncture a
leg
lung
up
or
as high as you
something.
can for me. Yeah, from the hip. So you're not really going at all. Okay. Relax. Try doing the left side.
That is mobility.
You're getting higher on the left than the right. Both are still obviously not good. I'm gonna have you first cross your right foot over your left foot. Yep. Uncross. Okay, yep, cross the left over the right. Good. Uncross again. Alright, we're gonna bend this knee.
This the part I'm farting on you. You putting too much pressure on my gut, cuz. Breaking some wind on you, homie. He almost broke it. He almost broke it. He broke this man's hip.
Okay. Try raising that right leg up again. Much higher. Good, relax this one. Try raising the left one up again. Good, also higher as well. Okay.
Super stiff.
Let me get you to lay on your side. Face me this way. So we're gonna just bend the top knee. Good. And then I'm gonna bring this arm out. There we go. And then we're going to flip to the other side here.
This side won't work.
You're good, you're good.
Just how to stretch. Same thing, right?
Yep. Okay. So I'm going to have you lay on your back. I've got that headpiece up, so you should be able to. Good. Alright, from here I'm going to do those leg pulls. Just try and relax your legs for me. You'll feel releasing the ankle, the knee, going up to the hip.
Oh, whoa.
Good. I got you. Come on.
Oh, come on.
Go forward.
He gonna wake up. He gonna get off the table, feel like a new person. He can't even stand up. Oh, he was trying to stand up.
Okay. So I'm gonna re-relax the muscles back here. Not to say it's not gonna be the funnest, what I'm gonna do, but definitely need it though. I wouldn't do anything if you didn't need it. Okay. I'm gonna have you bring one arm up, bring the other one up here. So I'm gonna be doing, these are called anterior thoracic adjustment. So I'll have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Okay, come on up. We're gonna go further back in the next one. And out. Okay. Okay. Well, let me have you stand up.
New nickname, CHIROPRACTIC. I'm just playing.
Back to me.
I don't think I can do this. Like, as a profession, I don't think I can do it.
Arms up.
I don't trust myself
Bring
enough.
your hands.
Oh, we used to
on
do
top of
this.
line.
We used to do this.
Yep.
I done did this before.
Okay, so I'm gonna lean you back. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Yeah, catch your breath. Okay. Now, take a seat. Alright. Let me have you come back. Keep the knees off the table for me.
That's like the most I could lie.
That's fair.
Can't even lay flat, man.
Okay. Yeah, just rest as much as you can like that.
Got tools? Oh no. Oh,
Yeah,
no.
now we're doing the wide strap.
Oh,
I mean, as you can
he
tell.
got the tools out.
So you got your
He
hand.
finna hurt you, dude.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, it's just resting on my fist when I put it under, so.
Is that a hoist? What is that? What is that? Oh, Nah, cool.
Yeah, so these are gonna be kind of lighter in the beginning. I want to get a good stretch here.
He finna snatch on his man's neck. Oh no. He finna mohead his neck. Ooh. Ooh,
What'd you feel? Good. And rest right here. So first off, did you see where my fist was? He was just sitting on my fist. He's on my hand flat now.
Snatch it on his spine.
I'm gonna need your help next one. I told you it was gonna start easy and then we're going a little bit more.
Hey, make it happen, man.
Okay.
That's what I'm here for.
Okay,
Well, I'm gonna have you slide down a little bit. Yeah. Go a little bit more. Perfect. I want you to hold him down. Yep.
sorry, babe.
Okay. Perfect. Catch your breath with that one. What'd you feel with that one?
Oh, I'm all everything cracked. But in a good way.
Good, good. And actually, well, I got you right there. So we're going to relax with the decompression. I got you in a good spot here. Bring the arms up above the head. Yep. Good, good, good. Last one. And rest. He's almost resting his head down on that. Come on up, I got you. And relax.
I would be in a full-blown sweat. Whole workout, 2 hours in the gym sweat.
Putting you through the ringer today, huh?
Yeah, man. Make it happen.
Yeah, something to him.
Don't let me work.
After that first Y strap, it went from having my hand like this, and then it was flat.
That's what we need.
So the goal is obviously getting you laying completely flat on your
It's not
back.
gonna be the first shot, but
No, it's gonna take a couple adjustments.
yeah, it's gonna take a couple.
Oh yeah,
That's what we're gonna do.
but at least now you guys aren't too far.
No, not at all.
So
That feels a big difference, though.
But what do you recommend? Every what? Like,
I'll see. I mean, granted, obviously, you gotta know your schedule, but I want to try to do.
Man, guys, listen. Let me know if you would go through this. Whew. It's rough. I feel like I need one. I'm not that bad, but I feel like I need one. But hey, you let me know what you think. If you're gonna get your back cracked by the chiropractor. But guys, let me know what you think about this video. Drop a like if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Get everybody in your family to subscribe. We are almost at 40 subs, man. Let's go and get it up. Let's run it up. But without further ado, guys, like I say, be better tomorrow than you were today. We out, guys. Peace.